Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a truly blank page in WordPress using Elementor, not just hiding a few things, but stripping everything away so you're left with a pure white canvas. Whether you're building a high-converting landing page, a sleek, coming soon notice, or a sales funnel that needs zero distractions, this method gives you total design freedom. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly set up a clean, distraction-free page that's primed for your creativity. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to your WordPress dashboard. You'll find Pages over in the sidebar. Go ahead and click on that, then select Add New. This is the starting point for every page you build in WordPress, and it's a habit you'll get very comfortable with. Now give your page a title, something descriptive like landing page. Don't stress too much about the name right now. You can always change it later if you get inspired or want something catchier. With your page titled, you'll see a blue Edit with Elementor button pop up at the top. Go ahead and click it. This launches Elementor's powerful page builder, letting you design visually, almost like playing with digital Lego bricks. If you're new to Elementor, don't worry, everything is drag and drop simple and you'll get the hang of it quickly. Now here, where most people get hung up, you'll notice that when your page first loads in Elementor, your WordPress theme's header and footer are still showing. Maybe there's a menu at the top or a footer with copyright info at the bottom. That default website structure works for blog posts or standard pages, but for special projects like landing pages, you want a totally blank slate. So here's how you remove everything and get that clean white canvas. Look down in the bottom left corner of the Elementor side panel. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the Settings button. Click that icon and you'll open up the general settings for the page. Right in this settings area, look for an option that says Page Layout. There's a drop-down menu right next to it. By default, it's probably set to something like Default or Theme. Click the drop-down and choose Elementor Canvas. That's the special layout Elementor provides for exactly this purpose. Give it a moment. As soon as you select Elementor Canvas, your page will automatically refresh. And now you'll see the magic, the header, the footer, the sidebar all gone. You're left with a pure white screen. It's just you and your ideas with nothing else to clutter up the space. This is perfect when you want total control. For example, if you're designing a sales funnel and can't risk visitors getting distracted and clicking away, or if you want to roll out a stylish coming soon splash while you work behind the scenes, this is your playground. And that's it, you now have a completely blank WordPress page ready to design with Elementor. From here you can drag in sections, add text or images, or start building your next big idea with zero limitations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, it really helps out. Drop any questions you have down in the comments, or let me know what you're building. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward and practical WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.